Did you have the topic, or you want that I bring new topic?
You can bring the topic.
Okay, the topic is Quran 68:4. Quran 68:4 says this. Let me show you. This is Quran 68:4. Let me show on my screen. This is Quran chapter 68, 68, verse 4. It says, look at my screen, 68:4. You see on my screen?
Okay, not all of us can speak English, so I will translate
Okay.
for you. Di Quran
This is
surah
Quran
68, ya, 68.
And it says, and it's verse 4.
Ya, ayat 4.
Okay, verse 4. It says, and it says, let me go to one of the translation. It says, and indeed, you see it here? And indeed, you are of a great moral character. Supposedly, Muhammad is the great moral character. I challenge any sheikh, any imam, any Muslim. I challenge to Allah himself to come here to prove me, to disprove me. I will say he is not a moral character. He is a dirty man.
Oke, di dalam Quran surah 68 4 dikatakan Muhammad mempunyai suatu moral yang luar biasa, yang karakter yang bagus, yang moral yang bagus. Tantangan Dr. Chain untuk Muslim dan Ustadz di Indonesia adalah buktikan apakah memang Muhammad mempunyai moral yang bagus. Anda bisa berdiskusi dalam dua bahasa, Inggris dan Arab. Ya, kalau nggak bisa itu mundur aja deh lu, ya, ke langit aja.
Any Muslim? Come up.
Oke, Rafael. This is one of the Muslims.
Yeah. What we want to
Silakan.
I have like 20, 30 minutes. I have to go work after, but I have 20 minutes time. So are you Muslim? User, are you Muslim?
Yeah, this is Alayubi. His real name is Alayubi. Go
Okay,
on,
Alayubi.
You can speak English.
Alayubi. Are you okay? Alayubi. Do you think that Muhammad was the great moral character?
Of course.
My friend, talk loudly. Talk
Kurang
loudly.
keras,
Come
kurang
close to the
keras.
mic.
Kurang keras.
Quran keras.
Talk loud.
Quran keras. Quran keras. Sorry,
Kurang
Quran
keras.
keras. Quran keras.
Iya, ini bagus ya Dokter Jen diajarin bahasa
Okay.
Indonesia ini.
Now read this hadith, please. I'm listening. This is Sunan an-Nasai. 3378 is Sahih hadith. I can give you from Sahih al-Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, Sunan Abi Dawud too. But read first this one.
Okay.
Read, I'm
The
listening.
messenger of Allah married me when I was 6 and consummated the marriage with me when I was 9 and I used to play with dolls. Jadi ini pernikahan
Okay.
Muhammad dengan Aisyah.
Yeah.
Aisyah
Can you translate, please?
Dia sedang menikahi dia usia 6 tahun, kemudian bersetubuh ya. Ketika berusia 9 tahun dan saya senang bermain
What
boneka.
is problem out there? What is problem out there?
What is problem? Are you writing? Are you okay in your mind? Are you think it's okay? Is this okay?
I'm asking you what is problem out there?
What? What you asking me?
Yubi, apa
What
bahasa
is
Indonesia?
problem about that?
Your voice. Your voice, my friend.
What he wants to say, Dr. Chains, in the time of Muhammad, he said that people used to marry.
Is that okay? Is that okay? No, that's a lie. Look this hadith. Look next hadith. Muhammad gonna expose him. Look dear. This is Sunan an-Nasai. Look at my screen. Muhammad gonna expose him. Look. This is Sunan an-Nasai. 3221. You see my sister? Sunan an-Nasai. 3221.
Saya 3221.
This is Sahih. You see? Sahih. You see the Sahih?
Sahih.
Word Sahih? Okay. Let me read. It says, narrated Abdullah bin Buradai. It was narrated that from Abdullah bin Buradai that his father said, Abu Bakr and Umar, may blah blah upon him, pleased with them, propose the marriage to Fatima. But Muhammad said, she is young. Then Ali proposed marriage to her and he married to him. So Abu Bakr and Umar asked to marry Fatima, but Muhammad said she is young. If that was, and Muhammad's time is okay to older men married to the child, why Muhammad said she is young? Let him answer this one, please.
Oke, bagaimana dengan surat An-Nasai 32? Sebentar, Yubi.
Because
Bagaimana dengan surat An-Nasai 3221? Sebentar, Yubi. Sebentar, ketika Abu Bakar dan Umar mau menikahi Fatimah anak Muhammad, Muhammad berkata nggak bisa, dia masih terlalu muda.
Answer the question.
Yes, because he is younger. What's matter about that?
shish kebab. Do you know how old Fatima was? That Fatima was 17 or 18 year old.
I'm not shish kebab.
You're a shish kebab. You're not. I will make you shish kebab. If you're not shish kebab, I will make you shish
Fatima
kebab.
sudah berusia 17 tahun waktu itu ala Yubi. Kemudian
Do you-
Muhammad nabimu berkata dia masih sangat muda, belum boleh dinikahi. Padahal usianya sudah 17
Doesn't matter.
tahun.
17 is younger age.
A shish kebab. Muhammad Aisha was 6-year-old
shut up.
child.
You are shish kebab, not me. Why
You're a shish kebab. You're a big shish kebab. You don't know. You're ignorant.
You get busted.
Yubi, bagaimana mungkin Muhammad bisa menikahi Aisyah dia berumur 6 tahun, bersetubuh ketika berusia 9 tahun. Sedangkan pada waktu Fatimah berusia 17 tahun, mau dinikahi Umar sama Abu Bakar nggak boleh. Muhammad berkata dia masih sangat muda.
Okay, listen me.
Huh?
When Prophet Muhammad married with Aisyah, because that is order from God. And
Dr. Chain,
that
Dr.
case,
Chain.
What is your problem?
Yubi, sebentar, aku tanya. When Muhammad married Aisyah, maybe it's his personal problem. He married a child. But what about Surah 65 verse 4? The
Yes,
verse in
Quran
the
65.
that
Quran.
allow Muslims
Yes,
to marry young girls. What about that?
Yes, sister. Before we go there, let me tell you something. Do you know how old was Muhammad when he married Aisha?
That doesn't
Tahu nggak
matter. What
usia
problem
berapa
about that?
Muhammad ketika menikahi Aisyah? 54.
One.
Doesn't matter.
51,
That doesn't
51,
matter.
51, and
Doesn't
Aisha
matter.
was 6-year-old. Wait, shut up. And Aisha, Hasha,
berusia
shush.
51 tahun ketika dia menikahi Aisyah yang berusia 6 tahun waktu itu ya.
Yes, and Aisha was
Bayangin.
6.
That is cool.
And wait, man, let me teach you. Let me educate you.
Culture.
I am your
He said
ustad.
it is a culture.
No, I am your ustad today. You have to learn. Take your pen, take your paper. I'm your ustad. I'm going to teach you. You brainwash man.
You my student. You my.
No, I am your Allah's ustad. I am the ustad of Allah. Bring your Allah to me. I will make him shish kebab.
You my
Huh.
student. I'm your teacher.
Yeah, you're a shish kebab. You're not teacher a shish kebab.
Jangan
Nah.
main-main jadi Muslim Syekh ya.
Sister, do you know how old was the age comparison between Abu Bakr and Muhammad? Do you know that Abu Bakr was young than Muhammad? Did you know
Abu
that?
Bakar younger than Muhammad. Yeah.
Yes, 2-3 years young. And do you know how Umar with Muhammad? Do you know how young was Umar comparing with Muhammad?
I don't know.
What is problem?
13. Shut up. Hush. Wait, hush. Shut up. And Umar was 13 or 14 years young than Muhammad. Can you imagine? 13 or 14 years young than Muhammad. When Umar asked Fatima to marry Fatima, Muhammad said she is young. But Fatima was 17 years old. Fatima was 17 years old. But when Muhammad
I
married...
will translate that. Sebentar.
Yes.
And then
Sebentar Yubi. Abu Bakar pada waktu itu usianya 2-3 tahun lebih muda daripada Muhammad. Kemudian Umar itu bahkan lebih muda lagi, kira-kira 13 tahun lebih muda dibandingkan Muhammad. Ketika dia mau melamar Fatimah usianya 17 tahun, Muhammad berkata dia masih terlalu muda. Padahal Muhammad itu menikahi Aisyah ketika berumur 6 tahun. Dan ketika berumur 6 tahun, Muhammad itu udah berusia 51 tahun waktu itu. Coba Yubi gunakan otakmu sedikit. Use your brain, Yubi. Ya, ternyata tadi kita mendapatkan satu informasi baru. Ya, kita mendapatkan satu informasi baru ya, Nats. Ternyata Umar sama Abu Bakar itu pernah melamar Fatimah. Pada waktu itu Fatimah berusia kira-kira 17 tahunan. Muhammad bilang nggak boleh, Fatimah ini masih terlalu muda, usia 17 tahun. Lah padahal dia itu menikahi Aisyah, dia usia 51, Aisyah 6 tahun. Terus Yubi mengatakan, oh menikahi Aisyah itu karena dapat wahyu, dapat perintah dari Allah katanya. Coba gimana ini?